Hey guys, collecting Dev. Got another box break and some random packs. I got this from Dave & Adams, so we just have the new 2020 Stadium Club. And then got some extra packs, just because I like doing kind of these multi-sport breaks. 18-19 Soccer, 2020 Elite, and 19-20 Illusions. Today's actually opening day for football, which is kind of cool. So let's we'll set these packs up to the side and do them second after we open up this box. Looking for two autos. They have some. The cool thing about Stadium Club is that they excuse me, can't get it open. They do really cool photography. So you get two autos. I'm pretty sure all their stuff is on card. I could be wrong, but I think it's all on card. That one oversized box topper, and then the packs out here just so it's easier to do. Got some more boxes coming in. I try to do at least one a week. I would like to do more eventually, but as we all know, this is not cheap. So let's look at this oversized. It's a Mariner. Oh, it's Ichiro. That's cool. So we got a Ichiro oversized card. Only thing bad about those is like it's impossible to store. Okay. So I might miss something. I've never opened up Stadium Club before. So we'll just see how we do. Make sure we can see that. Nolan Ryan. Thorpe. Rookie. Dietrich. Sano. Will Clark, Jameson Talion, what is that? Black, Dakota Hudson, and Matt Chapman. So, yeah, cool cards, cool photography. Let me keep a pile for parallels or kind of keep track of the hits. It's just a little bit easier for me that way. Just this way so I don't spoil that back card. I don't think it's ever anything too good. 1 meter. Yeah, they do stick. I keep hearing people talk about that. Dustin May, it's a really cool card. The rookies, Castellanos, Glasnow, Cano. Is that just one card? Yeah. Oh, we have a red of Will Castro. The parallels there. Kershaw and Morjan. Yeah, let me know if you guys open this and what your thoughts. The resale's not great on it, which is unfortunate because there's a triggers because has really cool photos. Oh, there's the first one, and it's Yamamoto, who I think last night they're playing the Braves, and I think they ended up giving up about 22 runs, something. I think he was responsible for most of them. But there it is, Jordan Yamamoto. Cool thing, I mean, they're on cards, so it's nice to have on-card autos, which can be something better, but it is what it is. There's a foil, some kind of foil, I'm not sure exactly what they call some of this stuff, of Jose Ramirez, Gratterall, Senzel. This is the first auto. Giolito, everybody calls him Mr. No-No now. And then they do stick, huh? Starling, Schwarber, oh, Gurriel, it's a cool photo. Mazzaro, there's an insert. Man, they are incredibly stuck. Insert of Garrett Cole. Having a little issue focusing, huh? Let's see if I can just move this down to here. There we go. Santana, oh, let's put that right there. Bagwell. Darcy Apara, Veritek, Bobby Bradley, rookie. Tony Gwynn, Ryu, there's Victor Robles. Bash Bros or Bash something, Bash Burn, there you go. Rojas, and Walker Buehler. played at Vanderbilt. Have to do the little shout out every time. There's like 15 of them that played at Vanderbilt that are in there now. Benintendi, Acuna, Garcia, Muncy, Agrazal. Oh, what is that? That's another insert in the wings of Keno, Kerry Wood, and Jake Rogers. Nothing noteworthy. Hopefully that'll change. Austin Riley. Oh, that's cool. Dylan Cease. Trey Mancini. Oh, there we go. Everybody's favorite Mr. Lewis Robert. It's nice. Sandoval. Well, there's Brian Reynolds. Also played at Vanderbilt. It's a red. EJ Puck rookie. And Trevor Bauer. Markakis, Will Smith, Munoz rookie, Clevenger, Darryl Strawberry, Power Zone, Ted Williams, and Arenado. This one feels thicker. I don't know if that's just me. Maybe it's the chrome. I'm not sure. Trey Turner. Oh, that's in focus, because that's going to be annoying if it's not. Trey Turner, Corbin, Zach Gallen, who's having a good year. Oh, this is Alex Bregman. Oh, there's the chrome. I guess it's like a sepia chrome. That's probably why it felt thicker. Not numbered. Just a chrome refractor of Bregman. Mike Trout, insert of the Bash Burn, Bellinger, and Flaherty. Yeah, I could. That pack felt bigger. I wonder what the odds are if it says on the chromes. I'll have to look that later. It's way too hard to read right now. Scoot up a little bit. All right, Burke. Rookie. Gurriel. Mark McGuire, that's a cool one. I got another chrome card. There's Tim Anderson. There's a chrome of McGuire. So I got two chrome cards. Adam Wainwright. Black. Yelich. And Mauricio Dubon. Still should get one more auto. I don't know. I saw some of these boxes get kind of messed up. If you get a couple chromes, you might not get an auto, or sometimes you don't get a chrome. Calhoun, Asuna, McNeil, or I can't say his name. There's another chrome, Gavin Lux, rookie. That's a nice one. It's pretty. I'd actually consider that a decent little card. I guess it's like a sepia or refractor. I'm not sure what they call it. Koufax red. Strasburg, Chapman. And Lux or that Roberts, probably the two best hits out of here so far. Over the auto, I'm assuming. Paddock, Lorenzo Cain, Mitch Keller, Stallman, Ernie Banks, Strasburg red. Blackman, and Hideki Matsui. Right. 4 packs left. Let's see if we can get that other auto. Gotten 3 chrome cards, which is I don't think that's normal. Rosario, Randy Johnson, John Means, Savelli, some Max Scherzer insert. Man, you can hear that. Yeah, they are stuck. Yeah, Max Scherzer. I don't know why this is having issue focusing. I'm about to Set it to manual focus, I guess. There we go. Solak and Michael Brantley. If this was the only way to get Chrome, those might be worth a bit more, but I know Chrome's coming out maybe like December. Brandon McKay rookie. Is that 2? Nope. Verlander. Is Monty Grandal. He's been hitting a lot of dingers. Koufax. Anthony Rizzo. Insert. Carter Kieboom. Talion. 2 left. Let's see if we can get last auto. I could have missed it. I don't think I did. Logan Webb. Miguel Cabrera. There's another Brian Reynolds. Oh, here it is. Oh, another pitcher. Oh, Zach Gallen. That's good. He's having a really good year. I wonder if they... Yeah, I guess they signed in blue ink. That one's nice. There's a Chapman red. Akiyama rookie. 2 pitchers, which I know is not what you usually want to see. So assume I bet that Lux is probably the nicest one. Jansen, Tanaka, Austin Meadows, Ortiz, Stella. There's an Eloy, red, Schmidt, and Justice Sheffield. So yeah, let me think. I'd really only consider put that Robert in here. These are probably the 4 quote-unquote hits from Stadium Club. So we got Lewis Robert rookie. Oh, missed one. The Jordan Yamamoto auto. Zach Gallen auto. And then the I guess it's like sepia, or it's just the refractor, I'm not sure, of Gavin Lux Chrome. So let's open these other packs real fast. We can start with soccer since we only have one. Last time I got a Mbappe out of one of these, which was the best card I got in the whole break before. We'll tap. Grasman. Yeah, I'm not sure about any soccer stuff, so I could easily miss somebody. Cineo, rookie of Catrone. Buffon, no idea. Milligan, and Rabiot. Okay, probably butchered all that. Let's do football next. 2020 Elite. This is first football I've opened all year. Baker Mayfield, Michael Thomas, Bobby Wagner, some sort of insert. Oh, that's cool. It's got like the texture on the back. Lamar Jackson and Drew Lock. Nothing too crazy out of that one. Oh, just dropped the whole pack. These should all be hobby too. So there's a DJ Chark, Devontae Parker. There's a Jonathan Taylor rookie. It's hard to see that. Melvin Gordon and Miles Sanders. So we got just 2 things of illusions. And that'll be it for the break. Haven't opened any of this yet either. Okay, so we have Derrick Rose, Marcus Morris, Julius Randle, Daniel House. Oh, there's a 400 points. I'll have to blur that. Drew Holiday, orange, not numbered. JJ Redick, Biombo, Bogdan, There's a rookie of Goga, rookie of Rui, and Kevin Porter Jr. rookie. Not bad. I don't know, like, kind of, not sure about the points and kind of what that's really worth. Not gonna do anything with points. All right, Tobias Harris, another Derrick Rose, another Marcus Morris, another Julius Randle. Wow, that's weird. Oh, that's probably nice. This is definitely the nicest hit I got. Looks like an orange of a jaw, which is not numbered. That's really nice. Camera cut out on me, but yeah. Just to recap, this was all in the same pack. This is definitely the best pack I got and best hit. So yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.